Dad just hit his funny bone getting that out. Why? Are you checking the bearings themselves?
Yeah. Over here.
Yeah, if it's bad, they had to be pulled out, don't they? This has to be pressed in. Which, I mean, I knew that, but Dad hit his funny bone on the rack right here somewhere, and his whole arm was numb. It's kind of funny pulling that seal out. I didn't say it in the first video, but this is part 2. The other video was part 1 of axle seal replacement on a 96 Ford with 355 gears. The hammer. Beat it in with a hammer. Are you gonna grease that, or do you have? You don't have to. You just don't.
I'm just lubing that seal.
Okay.
Back up so it wouldn't tear whenever I put the
Yeah.
back up.
I didn't know if you're supposed to put new grease in it, or
No, these here.
it doesn't really matter. I don't guess.
Are done with them.
It's not in all the way. It's hitting those splines though. I could seen it moving. God. I didn't take very much coaxing. Freaking air compressor. Putting the pin back in. That flashlight. Oh my gosh. We need new ones.
Like that, come on. See how close that is?
Oh, what?
That jack.
How close it is together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's just enough room for that pin to go up in there.
Yeah.
See, that's why I think whenever your axle broke, it smacked the...
Yeah. See? I see what you're talking about. It came backwards a little bit and smacked.